students. In the last session, we saw in detail about backgrounders, column and column. Can you recollect the key points from our last session? First, we saw backgrounders. Backgrounders are nothing but background information of an event or a major happening. Backgrounder gives the history and facts related to an issue in the chronological order. Next, we learned about columns. Columns are special articles that appear in a particular page of a newspaper or magazine. There will be daily columns and weekly columns. Special columns will also be included in a publication in the event of a major political development. Columns help readers analyze a topic in detail and create an opinion on the topic. For instance, if a major economic decision is taken by the government, experts will write columns in newspapers regarding the issue. Since columns reflect the personal opinion of an expert, each column will differ in the perspective. It can be against or for the decision. Some columnists may also take a neutral stand by listing out the pros and cons of the matter, thereby producing a balanced view. A reader who reads all such articles related to the topic will get an in-depth knowledge about the matter. Thus, he or she can formulate an opinion on the topic. After that, we saw about columnist. A columnist is a person who writes a particular column for a newspaper or magazine. Columnists are experts in the topic they are dealing with. Columnists can be writers, historians, academicians, sports personalities, scientists, psychologists, environmentalists, and so on. In the end, we also had a look at some columns. As we all know that a newspaper contains various sections and each section deals with separate topics. A newspaper is divided into multiple sections. They are local, domestic or national news, international news, business, finance or economy, politics, sports, weather, classified arts, interviews, letters from the readers, opinion or editorial, entertainment or comic, crossword puzzle, horoscope, arts, culture, literature, events or movies, broadcast or cable television guide, society or people, tourism or travel tips, style or fashion, cooking or cuisine, health or medicine, home and decoration, family, kids or youth, magazines and other supplements. Out of the various sections, national news and regional news are very important. In every newspaper, there will be a fixed slot to accommodate national news. Majority of the space in this slot will be filled by political issues. Usually, the national pages will be inside pages, which come after city and regional section. Regional and local or community news is another important section of a newspaper. Strong readership is the key aspect that keeps a newspaper alive. This can be achieved by ensuring the best coverage of regional news. The very fact that city and regional pages come just after the front page shows their importance. Unlike national pages, where newspapers have the option to source stories from agencies also, regional section relies entirely on local reporters. Hence, an efficient regional bureau is the backbone of a newspaper. Then comes the editorial section. As the name suggests, editorial of a newspaper is published in this section. Apart from this section will also have opinion pieces and columns by experts. Another component of the editorial section is editorial cartoon. Here is an example of an editorial cartoon. Editorial section will be followed by business or world page. Then comes the sports news section. Most newspapers accommodate sports news on the last pages. So, these are the various sections of a newspaper. Now, let us see some trends in sectional news. First, we will discuss the coverage of local news. As far as a newspaper is concerned, coverage of local issues is of utmost importance. The circulation of a newspaper is hugely dependent on the local readership. Newspapers are covering local issues much more than before. The daily life, activities, and issues of common people are continuously, widely being covered by newspapers. Cultural reporting has got a very prominent place in newspapers. The newspapers are now giving information about all those activities which are closely associated with daily lives of common people and society. For example, the information about transport, market, and various commodities. Similarly, people's problems associated with water, electricity, transport are being highlighted. They are fulfilling the need of information of various sections of people. The print media are giving maximum coverage to those subjects which are useful in one or other way to daily lives of common people. Another trend is news follow-up. The follow-ups of various events have further increased. Newspapers try their best to give a meaningful coverage of an event. The follow-up of news is given more in crime and political subjects. The news series are more prevalent in those events which are of public importance. Many times they launch even a campaign about the issue or subject. Here is an example of one such newspaper campaign. Nature of competition among newspapers can be seen as a reason for the new trends in presentation. There is strong competition among various newspapers. This can be seen in the style of presentation of news, where every newspaper claims to give the most exclusive news. Many times, They even give the old stories which have motivated or caused the administration to take decision about any particular problem or subject. There are several stories which are given exclusively only in one newspaper. Newspapers use logos for exclusive and impact stories. Here are a few examples. Another trend is market-oriented information. The detailed coverage of market activities has certainly helped the readers purchase various items. It also helps the shopkeepers in giving publicity to their items. People are being guided in purchasing and marketing. Newspapers give detailed information about new products with photographs. Another area is the history and background of events. The presentation of historical background of a story has become a very common practice in the coverage of the news. It is given to fulfill the need of complementary information to people about any event. The availability of material has also helped in presenting such background of various events. The histories of various events are being given on specific occasions. For example, the background of event is given in case of the decision of court, death of eminent personalities, major train and aircraft accidents. Though these kinds of coverage were given even in the earlier newspapers, but now the frequency of these kinds of coverage have increased. Another trend is educating people against the backdrop of events. It is a very useful and important trend of newspapers. They used to give various kinds of information for the safety and security of the common man. For example, the news of a fire accident also includes the information about the safety measurements needed or to be kept in mind to avoid any such types of accident. Similarly, in the event of a major disease outbreak, details like preventive measures and available medical facilities are given in infographics. The newspapers are also giving additional information related to any news in form of interview and photograph. These are some examples. Next area is the participatory role of newspapers. Newspapers are not a simple observer of various events. Now, the trend is to show themselves before reader as a guide, motivator, advisor, and they do many other such functions which were earlier not considered to be the role of newspapers. How to become voter in political coverage, how to protect oneself from various diseases, how to use various technology, where to invest money and go for tours, how to behave in society, adopt career, develop personality, get one's rights, and many other such areas are widely being covered by mass media. Next comes participation of common people. Mass media are trying to take the participation of common people in expressing their views on various issues. This has become a very regular trend in newspapers. It has certainly helped in associating people with newspapers. This also shows the professional approach of the mass media. It may be described a kind of marketing of newspaper. These types of participation were given even earlier also, but then the frequency and the quantity of presentation were not so much as it is now. They are inviting readers to work as a citizen journalist in various forms. Invitation for writing letter, articles, photographs, interview of any eminent person are some of measures taken by newspapers. The citizen journalist section of the Times of India is an example. Another trend is participation of media in social activities. Newspapers have also been participating in various social activities. They are organizing cultural, social activities. Many times they launch even a campaign for it. The newspapers organize various camps for social welfare. All these activities are being to associate people with newspapers. Nowadays, one can witness modernity and consumerism in newspaper. The content, headlines, photographs, articles, feature have orientation towards increasing consumerism, modern social values and culture. Another section is coverage of academic activities. Newspapers are giving active support to various academic activities which are related with youth and unemployed people. These kinds of practices not only give a good image to newspapers but also associate the youth with newspapers. There are many occasions when the newspapers take the opinion of youth on important issues. They are organizing youth fair, discussion and other programs. Newspapers make changes frequently to engage the readers. Today, when people have more choices, a poor product has no chance of independent survival. The way content is represented in print media, especially in newspapers and news magazines, is very important. A.K. Bhattacharya, Chief Editor of Business Standard, says, journalists should set agenda for the readers. Readers should feel, this is what I wanted to know. Journalists should provide the meaning and understanding to the reader. They should take the initiative. If they do not do that, then the initiative is usurped by vested interest. Print media has the potential to provide understanding to the readers. Journalists must utilize this opportunity. There should be more productive interaction with the readers in several forms to know what his or her information need is. So, as we have seen, newspapers make changes in layout and presentation to cater to the changing needs of readers. With the advancement of technology and advent of the social media, news and current events reach people immediately. In this scenario, newspapers start giving more in-depth analysis of news events. They also tend to add new sections in the newspaper so that it reaches divergent readers. So, through this session, you might have got a picture about the trends in sectional. In our next session, we will have a look at supplements of newspaper.